What could be more precious than a treasure? Not gold, not jewels, but the belief in someone's dream wrapped in silky threads. When a request arrived for that perfect green for a dream dress, I realized a new hunt had begun. A hunt not for beasts, but for a shade, a rare emerald that could turn a story into something truly unique. My studio isn't just a room, it's a treasure map. Instead of islands, there are shelves, and instead of chests, there are baskets. Inside each one hide my sapphires, rubies, and emeralds, over 100 rare shades of 100% Italian viscose. I am a collector of color. Every new shipment from Italy feels like uncovering an ancient artifact. My heart races as I unwrap the package, discovering what hues the universe has gifted me today. So, when the request came from the UK, I didn't simply walk to the storage. I opened my treasury. Like an adventurer, I revealed 8 of the rarest emeralds, from deep pine forest to bright olive leaf. I didn't present a mere selection, I gave a tour. Here is your potential, I said, showing each skein. This isn't just yarn, it's your future masterpiece, yet to be born. The choice was made. 2 shades, 2 personalities, 1 dress, challenge accepted, but giving the treasure alone wasn't enough. Tools were needed. We launched our map, a winding machine transforming large skeins into perfect 100-gram cones. No one else in the world does this with Italian viscose. This is our secret knowledge, our magic. In a single day, the treasure turned into a ready-to-create instrument, 10 cones, like emerald pillars, prepared to become a dress. Along with the shipment, we included keys to new doors, our favorite crochet hooks, and sample motifs from the same viscose. So she could not only see but feel the future, sense the silky softness, and understand that her dream was already taking shape. Now the package is on its way, and my heart, it's in flight. I am waiting not just for a photo of the dress, but for the story's ending that we began together, because in every package I send, it's not yarn I am delivering. It's a chance to create one's own fairy tale. Meanwhile, I glance back at the shelves. My treasury awaits the next request, the next dream. Soon, new shades will arrive, new gems to hunt, and the adventure continues. What do you collect that sparks your heart? What treasures make your eyes light up and your imagination soar? Share your creative treasures in the comments. I am eager to peek into your world of inspiration. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video inspires you, please subscribe and turn on the bell. Your comments and likes help our channel grow and reach more creative hearts. Before anything else, we want to say thank you, truly, from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you to every single Patreon member who supports JThouse. Your support is not just a subscription, it's trust, it's belief in our vision. It's the reason we can continue creating couture designs, developing new courses, and hosting live workshops every single month. Because of you, our live online crochet school keeps growing. Because of you, we can experiment, design bold new pieces, and share every step of the journey, from the first sketch to the final stitch. You are not just supporters, you are part of our creative family. And we are so grateful to create this magic together with you. If you'd like to join our Patreon community, the link is in the description. We'd love to welcome you. Take a look at these incredible results. These are just a few of the breathtaking dresses our students have created using our detailed crochet courses. From beginners who started with simple doilies to advanced crafters, they've all achieved something extraordinary. And guess what? You can too. Meet Anna, one of our students from Poland. At a beautiful stage in life, she made her first crochet dress. And it turned out absolutely stunning. Now she's hooked and creating new dresses every season. If she can do it, so can you. Maybe you've always dreamed of making your own dress, but thought it was too hard or too complicated. Let me tell you something. We're here to change that. With our years of experience, detailed courses, and the best materials in the world, we'll guide you every step of the way. This is your chance to turn that dream into reality. Creating something as grand as a crochet dress isn't just about the final product. It's about the journey. When you finish a big project like this, you'll feel a deep sense of pride and respect for yourself. And trust me, that feeling is priceless. Imagine this. While everyone else is posting pictures of their doilies online, you'll be sharing photos of your handmade masterpiece. A dress that's uniquely yours. Let's be honest, they'll be green with envy. But more importantly, you'll have proven to yourself that you're capable of creating something truly extraordinary. And it doesn't stop there. Your family, friends, and even strangers will admire your work. Who knows? You might even start getting requests to make dresses for others. That's the power of mastering this craft. It changes how you see yourself and how others see you. Now, let's talk about style. When you have the skills to create your own dresses, you're no longer limited by what's in stores. You can design something that's 100% you. Choose the colors, the textures, the patterns, everything that reflects your personality and taste. That's true freedom. Handmade dresses aren't just clothing, they're a statement, they're a way to stand out, to show the world who you are. And the best part? You made it yourself, let's be real. Handmade crochet dresses can cost a fortune if you buy them. But when you make them yourself, you're not just saving money. You're creating something priceless, something that will turn heads and earn you respect. Not just from others, but from yourself. And once you've made one dress, why stop there? You can develop your own unique style, something that people will recognize and admire. Imagine being known as the woman who creates stunning, one-of-a-kind pieces. That's the kind of legacy you can build with crochet. So, what are you waiting for? If you've ever dreamed of creating something extraordinary, now's the time. With our courses, our support, and the best materials in the world, you can make it happen. Click the link in the description to explore our courses and start your journey today. Your dream project is just a few stitches away. Let's create something extraordinary together.